Hello guys, today I want to introduce you a weird sound problem I realized with my Sony Xperia Z Ultra. You can try this at home if you make some music on the Xperia Z. Now I started, okay. I take some music, start. And if you give pressure on the screen in this area, in the middle area of the screen, the sound goes doesn't go clear. You will see. Same problem if the screen is closed. I think it's a hardware problem or a design problem. I realized too, if I give too much pressure on the screen in this area, the sound don't get clear or need some time to get clear, about 1 minute or 30 seconds. After 30 seconds the sound goes clear and is like normal. I don't know if it's a problem with my device only or it's a general problem with the Xperia Z Ultra. Maybe someone can test this at home and give some feedback for this device and problem. Thank you.